You might be wondering why your plumbing makes a knocking noise, and there is a few things that can be causing that. One of them is pipes that aren't securely fastened inside the walls. That I would say is the most common problem, and really the root of most of these problems. There are other issues with certain valves that can intermittently change the pressure, and that will cause the pipes to move and make those knocking sounds. But ultimately, the fix is to have those properly secured inside the walls.